In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create online fillable forms in Microsoft Forms, track results in Excel. By the end, you'll have a professional form ready to collect responses and a live Excel workbook that updates automatically as results come in. First, head to Microsoft Forms in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. You'll land on a dashboard where you can see any forms you've created. From here, create a fresh form by selecting the New Form button. This opens a blank canvas with space for a title, a description, and your questions. Start by adding your questions. You can choose from choice for multiple selections, text for short or long answers, rating if you want, stars or numbers, date for calendar inputs, and ranking to let people order items by preference. Add each question one at a time, give it a clear label, and include helpful descriptions if needed. For choice questions, list your options and decide if you want a single answer or multiple selections. For text questions, consider whether you want brief or long responses. Use the required toggle on any question you must have answered, and feel free to reorder questions or duplicate them to save time. Next, customize how your form looks and reads. Give it a concise, descriptive title and a short summary explaining the purpose, how long it takes, and what respondents can expect. Then open the Style panel to pick a theme or background that matches your brand or event. Keep readability in mind. Choose high contrast themes and keep backgrounds simple so the text stands out. Okay, before you share the form, check the settings. Decide whether anyone with the link can respond or limit it to people in your organization. If you need to identify respondents, turn on the option to record names. Depending on your needs, you can also control one response per person, shuffle questions to reduce bias, or set start and end dates so the form opens and closes automatically. Use Preview to see exactly what your form looks like on both computer and mobile screens. This is a great time to test the flow. Try submitting a sample response and confirm everything is easy to read and tap. When responses start arriving, go to the Responses tab and select Open in Excel. This creates a live synced Excel workbook in your OneDrive. Each question becomes a column, each submission becomes a row, and new responses appear automatically without you having to re-download anything. From there, you can filter, sort, build charts, and share the workbook securely with teammates for real-time tracking and analysis.